What's going on, guys? Today is Sunday. Went biking there yesterday on my new mountain bike at Little Red. Had a great time. Today I decided to pull my dirt bike out of storage. Started like a champ, but it's been about 4 years since I bought it and I haven't done the top end in it. So I'm gonna do a little preventative maintenance today. I got a top end kit that I'm gonna toss in it, and yeah, we'll just take you guys along. So this thing has been really good to me. I did the full restyle kit last year. Added a bunch of little goodies and stuff on it, but just doing a little preventive maintenance. Going to swap out that top end instead of having it go and then ruin the bottom end at the same time. So we'll get that done. Just got the trusty old milk jug out, draining the gas, and I'll drain the coolant, and then we'll start pulling off the tanks and start exposing the jug here. Well, there's a little bit more fuel than I thought I had in there. Didn't know what Dairyland started making fruit punch. Yep. So we got everything taken off the bike. The rads, I wish I could have left them on, but they're in the way. Pull the jug, so got that off. Pulled the nuts on the top of the head. Yeah, we'll just pull this off right now. And yeah. Puppy won't come off. Try with vice grips here now. Go. Looks good. And yes, for you YouTube mechanics, if you didn't wreck anything, just used old spark plug.
I guess you replace it anyways. Put the piston in the bottom of its stroke so you can get one. Push the rod down. There you go. Yeah, your rings are definitely shot, that's for sure.
Are they?
I see all that color below the rings. That's blow by.
So it was time.
Definitely for rings, yeah.
Got the rad, all the wires kind of tidied up and zip tied. Everything's all done up. I'm gonna fill with coolant. Put all my tank back on, all the shrouds, and then I gotta get a different spark plug tomorrow. They didn't have the one I needed, so waiting on that. And then we'll do. I want to change my gear oil, and then yeah, should be time for some heat cycles. It's got 17.8 hours on it, so use that as my benchmark for now on. She's got some progression.